To lead a certain man in Russia long ago. He was big and strong, in his eyes a flaming glow. Most people look at him with terror and despair, but to Moscow chicks he was such a lovely dear. He could preach the Bible like a preacher, full of ecstasy and fire. But he also was a kind of teacher women would desire. Rasputin, lover of the Russian queen, he was a cat that really was kind. Rasputin, Russia's greatest love machine. It was a shame how he carried on. Эх, да надо нам жить красиво, эх, да надо нам жить раздольно. Богатырская наша сила, сила духа, сила воли, сила духа и сила воли. Эй! Think he's done. She believed he was a holy healer who would heal her son. Это надо нам жить красиво, это надо нам жить раздольно. Богатырская наша сила, сила духа, сила воли, сила духа и сила воли. Это надо нам жить красиво.